Shark! Sharks can swim faster than most fish with just a few tail flicks. Crab! Crabs wave their claws to say, back off, or hello!
Yay!
Turtle? Turtles can glide for hours without needing to rush anywhere.
Oh!
Fish! Fish flick their fins like tiny underwater wings.
Gee!
Crab! Some crabs dig speedy hidey holes in the sand.
Ah!
Dolphin! Dolphins leap high like playful ocean acrobats.
Yay!
Orca! Orcas splash huge waves with a single tail slap.
Yay!
Pufferfish! Pufferfish puff up to look big and brave.
Ta-da!
Shark! Some sharks can glow softly in the dark ocean.
Oh!
Blue tangfish. Blue tang zip around coral like living streaks of color.
Yay!
Crocodile. Crocodiles float with just their eyes peeking out.
Yay!
Hippopotamus. Hippos open their mouths so wide it looks like a giant yawn.
Gee!
Whale. Whales can dive deep where sunlight can't reach.
Yay!
Donkey. Donkeys use their loud hee-haw to call from far away.
Oh!
Sawfish. Sawfish swipe their long saw nose to stir up hiding snacks.
Ah!
Starfish. Starfish can flip themselves over using tiny tube feet.
Yay!
Clownfish. Clownfish wiggle through anemones without getting stung.
Yay!
Caterpillar. Caterpillars inch along like soft walking accordions.
Ah!
Snail. Snails glide on a trail of shiny slime.
Yay!
Lobster. Lobsters use their antennae to feel around like whiskers.
Ah!
Jellyfish. Jellyfish pulse through the water like gentle, glowing balloons.
Ah!
Horse. Horses can run shortly after they're born.
Yay!
Lobster. Some lobsters can live longer than most ocean creatures.